Good morning, traders. 10:25 EST on August 1st, 5 minutes before oil news. This is oil daily chart present in the room for months. This is Fibonacci reversal zone where oil sold off from. Right now, right before oil news, we are not far off from institutional support. When it comes to day trading chart, here is to the tick hourly that at the time of the news I will convert to 1 minute chart. On hourly chart, sell-off overextended. On hourly chart, oil not far off from reversal zone. This is where knowledgeable traders are monitoring for bullish trend inception. This is a chart present in the trading room since mid-July. This is where oil sold off from, despite incredibly bullish news last week. 5 times undersupply on oil. Oil sold off from reversal zone, 300 points plus. So, buyers on oil already stepping in. Lower oil pulls back, better off we are. If you understand and trade with institutions, you understand extremely well. This is not the place to short. Institutional support in a play in front of you right now. So, the first 5 minutes we allow oil to settle down. 67 area, absolutely crucial, Fibonacci support. Not the place to short. No matter what the news is, Fibonacci levels will always override the news. Oil news in 2 minutes. What are the expectations on oil? -2 ME. Anything more negative is bullish news, is undersupply. Anything more positive is negative news, oversupply. Oil news, unlike any other news, completely inverse. 2 more minutes until oil news. So here we go, it's the time of oil news. Oil incredibly bearish. Incredibly bearish news on oil this morning. Just to remind you, oil at institutional support, not the place to short. Bright green line showing you very clearly. This is key institutional support. Bearish news in a play on oil. First 5 minutes we allow oil to settle down. You will see very sharp spikes as you're witnessing in front of you. Again, when oil sitting at institutional support, it's not the place to short. Bearish news does not mean a thing if institutional support in front of you. I will continue bringing up oil charts throughout the day, and again, if oil pulling back lower, it's a gift. Sell off on oil overextended. This is day trading Fibonacci resistance. This is not the place to buy. Lower oil collapses, more interesting market will become. So here we go, traders. Incredibly bearish news on oil. This institutional support present in the room for months in a play in front of you right now. As I warned you well before oil news, sell-off overextended. Institutional support is present. Bearish news does not mean a thing. Oil rallying. Oil not pulling back all the way down to trend inception. But as I warned you before oil news, sell-off overextended, not the place to short. I will continue bringing up oil until trading room close. So, if you know institutional levels, if you trade with institutions, the sky's the limit. Bearish news on oil did not mean a thing. Fibonacci means everything. Oil pulled back already 50-60 points, as expected. Short from reversal zone, only if rules are met. Not into bright green line. Never. Which is exact same thing as S&P doing in front of you right now. To the tick. Identical strategy. Identical level. As on S&P, as on oil, as on gold, where gold sold off from. Just to remind you, gold at reversal zone. Ultimate trend inception. Rules are met, take a trade. Rules are not met, do not touch this market. Identical place where S&P is now. Every single chart different instrument, every single chart different risk management, every single chart identical Fibonacci strategy. So here's Amazon at identical level, except instead of support as on oil, it is resistance on Amazon. This is a channel on Amazon, this Fibonacci support and this Fibonacci resistance. Identical with what we dealt with on S&P this morning. Identical with what you saw on oil. Identical formula. Identical strategy. Very different risk management. So here's a chart on Google. Here's the key Fibonacci levels and what's playing out on Google right now. So this is Google at the start of the year, ultimate Fibonacci target where price collapsed from. Google respected this key Fibonacci target also in the months of June and July. The entire year, all the way through the months of July, this became ultimate brick wall on Google. Where is Google now after being fined by European Commission for $5 billion? Google in bearish correction at Fibonacci reversal zone. Ultimate resistance became ultimate support. Agree? All the same formula, all the same strategies. If you can day trade, you can use everything you learn in the course for your investment decisions. So here we go, S&P is finally selling off. Will S&P finally crash through this decision point 1? Again, every single chart I convert on purpose to 1-minute charts so you can witness the accuracy of the method instantly. We expect this level to be a problem. We expect this level to be support. The last 4 minutes, price respecting this level. Every single instrument, identical formula. Every single instrument, identical levels. Ultimate patience and discipline reminding you, knowledge is power. Always and forever, bright green line is key target in your trading. I don't care if you trade gold, I don't care if you trade oil, I don't care if you trade Apple. This is the key. Market doing exactly what we've been waiting so patiently for. If you manage to pull a couple of points in the market this morning, you are a brilliant trader. This is the reason students become my dearest friends for life. All you have to do, learn the rules. All you have to do is obey by the rules. No shorts were present until now. You don't need many points per day. What you need is quality. What you need is add lot size. And that's a lesson this morning. Ultimate reminder. Only price action and Fibonacci will give you ultimate accuracy. Stop outside of break-even, key target is met. Knowledgeable trader scales out accordingly. If you're trading single or double lot size, you are completely out. Do not speculate. Do not disrespect price. And that's what you learn in the course. And just to remind you where the sell-off came from, boom. Level present in front of you since July. In a play in front of you right now, as expected. On all the instruments you saw, on gold, on Apple, on oil, on Google, on TLT. And that's to the tick 1 minute chart. Shock or not, reversal zone is reached. Did I tell you that price will reverse from this level? Of course, it will give a pullback. Just like oil reversed from reversal zone, not the place to short. What is the difference? You don't have to wait for days, weeks and months to see the accuracy of the method. You see it instantly in day trading room every day. And that's the power of the method. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. It never gets old, I promise. Price reminding you why we're so excited about gold. Remember the example on gold I gave you in 2016? It's a reversal zone, bullish trend inception. Remember where gold collapsed from. Gold at reversal zone. No rules for long had been met yet. When rules are met, this is your investment decisions. And that's the power of the method. To the tick on 1 minute chart. And higher S&P goes, better off knowledgeable trader will be for second trade. This morning. Again and again. And that's the reason I named this level reversal zone. What are you seeing is a problem on this pullback? Shock or not, it's a bright pink line every day, every time. No matter what you trade. No matter if it's gold, no matter if it's oil, no matter if it's Google, no matter if it's Tesla, no matter if it's euro, no matter if it's pound. Choice is yours. After this, we are out. This market can take the best of us. This market will remind you. This is by far the best time of the year to take the course. Why? We're in the middle of the most powerful historical formation since 2008. Last week, 2 classes I taught were the most powerful classes since the inception of the website in 2011. You are complaining of absence of volatility. Do not complain much longer. You better be prepared. And if I'm traveling, if I'm not available, you know what to do. Hand holding will not be recipe for success. Knowledge will be. Price collapsed from reversal zone on S&P. Market in correction. And S&P reminded you where price rallied from. Trend inception. This is your investment decisions. Know what to do. And that's the key. And that's the power of the method. Rules are met, take a trade. So any questions, never hesitate to contact me. Pretty please do review the information on the website first, everything under Learn. You're joining the course alongside with beginner traders, hedge fund managers. Every single person in the course trading different instrument, different time frame, different platform. If you are in private mentoring, I will help you set up everything on NinjaTrader 7. If you are in group sessions, I teach everything on S&P, and I will always answer the questions about any other instruments in classes. Key classes on Monday and Friday, group course 8 weeks, private mentoring 16 includes all group classes. If I will take time off, I will always give you extra time. It's never a problem. All classes are live, modules only supplemental. Live guided traded Monday through Thursday. Pre-market analysis Monday through Thursday. Key classes Monday and Friday. New class starts on August 6th. Did we know or did we know that this Fibonacci resistance will be a problem? Of course. Every day, every time. Identical formula. That's the reason trading room open. So you don't have to wait for days, weeks and months to see the accuracy of the method. It's all in front of you every day to the tick. So, if you are remaining in this trade, adjust your trail closer. Buyers just shown to you that bullish trend is minor. Buyers were not able to break through this Fibonacci resistance. Only bullish correction, no bullish reversal yet. Market is Fibonacci chess game. Learn the rules, obey the rules, play by the rules. And if you're serious about day trading, add technical execution. Without it, nothing in day trading is possible. Knowledge, patience and discipline, and execution is the key. So here's the results from students. As you can see, every student trading different ways of trading. From Jean, bullish put spread 10 lots, 18 points on S&P. And again, as you're witnessing in front of you, S&P frozen at Fibonacci reversal zone. Not the place to short. To the tick. Everyone seeing this? My pleasure, Phil. How did we know that this bright pink line on oil would be a problem? Simple. Fibonacci said so. Months in advance. Identical formula on 1 minute chart. As price reminded you bullish trend is minor, price did not break through Fibonacci resistance. Fibonacci trail was not hit, only bullish corrections at reversal zone, market selling off. Market reminding you, if you play by the rules, the skies are the limit. Look at that. Flawless Fibonacci dance once again. Once again, ultimate reminder, knowledge is power. You don't need many trades. What you need is quality, knowledge and execution at the lot size, not the number of trades.